Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami sailboat. This model is a traditional model, so you may have seen it before. So we're going to start off with a square sheet of paper. It can be any color or size. It doesn't have to be two different colors, but it can be. So one for the sails and one for the boat. We're going to start with the side that you want the sails to be. So we're going to fold it horizontally. And vertically in half. And unfold. Now we're going to fold it diagonally in half. Crease. And unfold. And the same on this side. Diagonally in half. Crease and fold. Okay. Unfold. And now we are going to fold this point to the center. And crease. And we're going to fold this point to the center as well. And now just fold it in half. Reverse fold the corners to the center line. So, pull these back. And recrease. So it should look like this. And do the side too. Fold it back and like this. Okay. Now we're gonna fold this in half, just this side. Down, crease, and fold it back up about a centimeter, and crease. And open this part up and tuck it inside. Now valley fold this point to the center here. And crease. And you can put this down to have a stand. And then turn it around, and there you go. Origami Sailboat. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.